In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove table formatting in Google Sheets, an easy-to-follow guide to help you tidy up your spreadsheets. Whether you've imported data from elsewhere or have set up complex formatting and now want a fresh start, removing these table designs might just be what you need. Let's get started with the first step. First, open a Google Sheet that contains the table you want to modify. If you're working with a report or any data set that has had some kind of aesthetic formatting applied, this is where we're going to dive in. Make sure you have everything you need saved, just in case you want to revert any changes later. Next, you'll want to identify the table's range that you're planning to clear. Click and drag your mouse through the cells to highlight this part of your sheet. When you do this, you're telling Google Sheets specifically which cells to clear of any unnecessary formatting. Remember, highlighting the entire row or column, if that's where your table is sitting, will ensure a complete refresh. Once you've highlighted your table, navigate to the top menu where you will see several options listed. The option we are interested in for this task is Format. Click on the Format menu, which will then drop down a list of further options related to your spreadsheet's style and design. This is the area where you have previously applied formatting, and it's now where we'll go to reverse these changes. When you click on the Format menu, scan through the list until you find Clear Formatting. This option does precisely what it says. It strips away all formatting applied to the selected cells, reverting them back to the default Google Sheets style. Once you click Clear Formatting, you might notice any colors, fonts, borders, and other design elements disappear, leaving you with a basic, yet highly functional, grid of data. There you have it. With those simple steps, you've now successfully removed the table formatting from your Google Sheet. This is particularly useful if you're planning to reformat with a different design in mind, or if you just prefer the simplicity of unformatted data. It's always a good idea to save your changes once you are happy with the new appearance of your sheet. Remember, if at any point you're unsure of the changes, Google Sheets version history allows you to revert to an earlier save, which can be a lifesaver if you clear something accidentally. Feel free to practice this on a test document first to get comfortable with these features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of Google Sheets and other productivity tools.